Hello everyone! Today, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng puto CALASIAO na tinaguri ang white gold ng Pangasinan. So, this is my version and it will be a very easy and quick to follow recipe with very few ingredients. Anyone can do this at home. So, ang una po nating gagawin ay ang Tangzhong Paste. So, magko-combine lang po tayo ng 1/4 cup rice flour. So, rice flour po ang gamitin natin hindi po glutinous rice flour, kundi rice flour. Okay, so ilalagay lang po natin sa isang pan. Add 1 cup of water. And haluin lang po natin yung mixture hanggang wala na pong lumps na makikita. And then under low heat, so i-stir lang po natin yung Tangzhong Paste hanggang sa maging thick and smooth po yung mixture niya. So, it won't take too long, mga around 3 to 5 minutes lang po siya. So, ayan. Kapag na-achieve na po natin yung paste-like consistency, switch off na po natin yung heat. And then, just leave it aside for now. So, next na gagawin po natin ay magmimix na po tayo ng other ingredients. Okay, in a mixing bowl, so, with our rice flour, add 2 cups of rice flour. Oops, medyo napadami ng konti. So, ayan po. Make sure that's 2 cups of rice flour. And then we have 3/4 plus 2 tablespoons of white sugar. And we have 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add in 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. There you go. And then, i-mix po natin yung ingredients natin using a whisker. And make a well in the center. And then add 1.5 cups of water. Okay, i-mix lang po natin yung ingredients hanggang sa maging smooth po yung batter natin or no lumps, wala na pong lumps na makikita. And then this time, i-add na po natin ang ating Tangzhong Paste. Okay, once na nahalo na po natin ng maigi, lahat ng ingredients sa bowl, then it's time for the fermentation stage. So now we will need to cover it with a cling wrap or a clean cloth. Okay, so that's it. So we will just leave it at room temperature for 1 hour to 2 hours or hanggang sa mag-double yung size or quantity ng batter natin. Well, depende rin kung sa Pilipinas mo to gagawin, much quicker. Saglit lang kasi mainit or humid yung panahon. But since ginawa ko ito during winter time, so here's my secret. I will be using my oven. So isiset ko lang po yung temperature niya at 35 degrees or 40 degrees Celsius para magiging parang room temperature po siya. And then, yung timer, isiset ko po yung timer ng 1 hour for now. So, pag after 1 hour at hindi po nag-double yung size po niya, then maybe add another hour. So, kasi mahirap po mag-ferment or magpaalsa dito sa Melbourne. Sobrang ginaw ng panahon. Okay, so while waiting, let's prepare our moulders or molds. So, I have two kinds of molds. The silicone one, which is the right size for the Puto CALASIAO, which is the 5 cm by 2 cm. Yan po, okay? So, just the exact size na nabibili po talaga sa CALASIAO, Pangasinan. And my other molder naman is metal. Ano po siya? 7 cm by 4 cm. Okay, medyo malaki ng konti, pero pwede na rin po siyang gamitin. And honestly, I prefer the small molds, which is the 5 cm by 2 cm Wiltshire molds. Kasi po, mas madali po siyang alisin at bite size po siya talaga. So, I've been using this for the last 9 years na gumagawa ko ng Puto CALASIAO. So, here we go. After 2 hours of fermenting, eto na po yung batter natin. So, it has now doubled in quantity at medyo bubbly na po siya. So, mix it again with a whisker. So, ang purpose po natin ng fermentation process is para ma-enhance pa yung lasa ng ating Puto CALASIAO. So, mapapansin nyo, nagko-combine po yung sweetness and yung pagiging a little bit of tangy or medyo may asim po siya ng konti. So, ganun po kasarap ang ating Puto CALASIAO. Okay, so it's time to transfer or pour them into our molders. Okay, so dapat 3/4 full lang po siya. At sa ating metal molders, half full lang po yung ginawa ko po. Okay, kasi mag-expand pa po siya and yung size niya medyo very filling po pag kinakain. So, as much as possible, half lang po siya ng ating 7 cm by 4 cm molder. Okay, ang next naman ay prepare natin ay ang ating lid or cover ng steamer. So we need to place a clean cloth. Okay, just like the same thing that I am doing. Okay, this is to protect our puto CALASIAO from the small droplets when steaming. And here you go, as simple as that. Okay, so first thing, ilalagay na po natin ang ating first batch. Yung mga maliliit po, steam lang po natin ng 10 minutes. 10 to 12 minutes po. And for our large moulders, steam it for 15 minutes. Kasi po medyo malalaki po siya, mas matagal po siyang maluto. So here we go. Ito na po ang ating puto CALASIAO.